How to use Booking.com Extranet for hosts. To use the Booking.com Extranet for host, you simply have to log in to your dashboard at admin.booking.com. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar, then type admin.booking.com. Now, once you find the official over here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on this on the website. From here, log into your account, then open the calendar. From there, click on the rates and availability or calendar and pricing tab in the top navigation bar. Click on the bulk edit option if you need to update prices or open close dates for long stretches of time. You can also now set restrictions. From here, you can now manage reservations and guest messaging. You can also view finance and invoices, and you can launch promotions to boost bookings. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.